Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add videos to YouTube playlist. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your YouTube application on your mobile device, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is to search for the video you want to add to a playlist, or you go to the videos page. I'm going to do that right away. So right here I have selected this video and I want to add it to my playlist. Now right under that's below the video player, you're going to see an option that says save. So these are the icons here: the like, the share, the remixed up ads. Click save. Now go ahead and click save. Once you click on save, it takes you over here. Now you will see a list of your existing playlists. You tap on the playlist you want to add to the video. If you want to create a new playlist, tap on the plus create new playlist option, enter a name, and set the privacy settings to either public, unlisted, or private. Then tap create. But if you want to add to an existing playlist, just go ahead and select the playlist from the options. Now I have sounds from shots, I have songs of fire, I have soothing sound, and of course I have watch later. So I'm just going to set it to soothing sound. But if you want to create a playlist, just go ahead and click on new playlist and just follow the prompt to create a new playlist, which I don't want you to do that. So I'm just going to click on soothing sound. And after clicking on soothing sound, you have the done option right next to it under. So click on done. And once you click on done, that's it. It has been saved to your soothing sound playlist. That's it. Ensure the checkboxes next to playlist next to the playlist you want to add the video to is checked. So once you do that, the video will be added to the selected playlist. You can view it by going to the library tab and selecting playlists. So that's pretty much it. Now I'd like you to note a couple of things. When you're creating a playlist, you can create and manage playlists directly from the mobile app, making it easier to organize and create correct content. Now if you're using the privacy settings, adjust privacy settings for new playlists to control who can view them. The method allows you to manage and organize your content effectively or efficiently right from your mobile device. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.